Hello, I am Jerry. Today I am going to show how to do Wi-Fi only iPad's iCloud lock bypass. What you need to unlock your iCloud lock. iCloud lock device. USB cable. Windows computer. Mac computer. Internet connection for 2 computers. Okay, let's start. Open your web browser and go to unlockingpartners.com website. This website is world #1 mobile unlocking website. Now order iCloud lock bypass service. Okay, now click Download tab in unlockingpartners.com website and download TeamViewer software for Mac computer and Windows computer. After install TeamViewer software and after open it. Now contact Unlocking Partners Technician using WhatsApp, email or Messenger. Okay, now send showing TeamViewer IDs and passwords from Windows and Mac computers. After few minutes you can see Unlocking Partners Technician connect to your computer and start to unlock your iCloud locked iPad. Now you can see your iPad iCloud lock 100% removed.